Morning, good morning, good morning. It is day 2 here in Kuala Lumpur, our first day after waking up. And we're off to eat some breakfast because for some reason when we come to this country we're always hungry. And that's what we're doing. What do you think we can find?
Maybe chicken feet.
Chicken feet. We'll see what we can do about that. Oh God, why did my face just go pink?
You've got a pink face.
Nothing like Tuesday morning live music. When you're getting food, chicken feet. Assalamualaikum. Will you come back?
Yeah.
Lapa. This place is Flick and I's, hands down, our favourite breakfast place in all of Malaysia. For good reason. We'll show you in a minute. And this is what we come for, the roti and the chicken feet. Okay, these are the cow's lungs. Yum. Our beautiful teterek. Look at that beautiful frothy Malaysian tea. And of course we can't go without our chicken feet curry on a roti. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, sweetie, dig in.
Okay.
Yeah. Good?
Yep. Sure is.
Okay, like we said, we'll show you why we come and rate this our favourite breakfast place in Malaysia. It's probably all three. The roti with the chicken feet, the cow's lungs in sambal, and the teterek, which is the Malaysian tea. So, good morning. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Cheers. It's Malaysia in a glass right there. All right. As I always start, cow's lungs, first thing in the guts. Lift me there. Oh,
Good?
yeah. Okay, so we just finished that delicious breakfast, and it's not enough. I mean, we're full, but hang on. That's better.
We left space.
We left space for today. We're doing a day of exploring, and I don't know if that's a pink face or that's something, but I see a pink face in the.
Is my face is pink?
Yeah, it's weird. But I just want to show you as we walk in out of the restaurant. This is one of the old classic houses. That's a village house, and in the background is all the metropolis of the new buildings and the modern stuff. So it's a bit of a contrast. The old village house, KL Tower, the monorail's going across. Tall. That's where we're staying at. That's our hotel. It's one of the last houses left here in this village that's still in the middle of KL City. All right, today is a day of exploring, so that's stop number 1. And you can see the level of the guts here. It's still on the low level, but let's see by the end of tonight. So this is another place down here we usually eat. It's got smoked duck curry. And
We're going to come back to that one.
we're going to come back to that one, see how much room we've got left. Okay, so it didn't take long, just about 3 steps after I stopped the video last. This is one of our old favourites. It's Jerak 23. This has got every Malay food you can possibly think of. I hope you still like that. We haven't been here for a while, but it's a buffet. Basically, you just choose what you want to eat, but it's got a lot of variety. So let's go in and have a look. Okay, so we start off with the grilled fish, and this is outdoor food courts in Malaysia. No windows, but yeah, look at that. A lot of grilled fish, different styles of fish. You choose your favorite, and it comes with, of course, with chili, sambal. And that's where we're going to choose all our food. We can't help ourselves. Nick's ordering a grilled fish there. This is one of my favourite, the salty fish. And I know I'm going to pile on the plate, even though Flick said don't go too hard. So here we go. I've got to juggle the camera and the plate. So this is one of our favourite. It's called tempeh. That's fermented soybeans cooked in sambal chili. Here we've got some clams, eggplants, chicken with green chili, anchovies with sambal, prawns, and here we go, the favourite stuff, the cow's lungs. Oh my god, so much to... Oh. If I lived here, I'd be eating here every day. Look at that. How lucky to have this every day. Then we move on to the red curries, the chili ones. So that's prawn curry, prawn chili curry. There's a small baby eggs, chicken eggs, yeah, quail eggs, sorry. Pineapple curry, fish curry, chicken curry. And over here we start to get to the yellow curries, which is the turmeric curries. This is called karang. This is a shell like snails from the sea. That's a bamboo curry. That's the yellow fish curry. Right? Sorry. Yeah. And here, this one here is called kangkong. This is grass from the side of the swamp bed grass. So it's called swamp grass. Yep, that's one of our favourites. We love funny things. Yeah, so we get the young bamboo and the swamp grass. And then we move on to the vegetables and the mango salads. That's mango with chili, full on, that one. And then you get your green veggies. And with that green veggies, you dip it in instead of a dip, like a garlic dip or something, we got the chili dip here.
You didn't get any okra.
I know, I'm still recording.
Oh.
Yeah, so look at these chili dips. Can you move the spoon round? Yeah. Woo! Look at this one here.
Do you want a bit of this one?
I do, but my running to the toilet moment might come.
What's in this one? Stingray chili, wow. Look at that beef chili, oh my god. Okay, I got the iced coffee takeaway. Oh, look at that. Terima kasih. And look, this is where we have it, under the iron roof with the heat. Our favourite place. We've got a lot of favourite places. Look at Flick's face when she sees that big bladder. Yeah. Now that's the taste of Malaysia too. Two tastes of Malaysia.
Oh, absolutely.
And
That is so good. Oh,
they've got Temple Durian here.
where, that one?
Just there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why this used to be a one-stop shop.
We used to
Yeah.
come here all the time.
Anyway, we got the fish with the chili sambals, and that's off the barbecue, and the fermented beans, the swamp grass, the young bamboo, chili mango salad, and salty fish here, and our coffee.
Yep.
It's hard to go past these 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 favourites. And yeah, this is why we come to Malaysia. These actual things that you see today and later on today as well, these are the dishes. Okay, go for it, sweetie. Let's try the fish.
Yeah, except you bought takeaway and we're not walking.
To solve the problem of the takeaway bladder, the coffee that you can't put anywhere unless you hang it off a hook, get a pot plant. Now we got iced coffee pot plant. Pot plant. Okay. This fish is called chencharu. Chencharu, baby. This used to be my favourite fish when I used to be here 20 years ago. And I can't do it in film, but
Here we are.
cheers, baby.
Cheers.
And I put in the ayam asam. This is the nice sour and very spicy chili. That's Malaysia in a mouthful again. Oh my god. You know what that's like when we went to Langkawi.
Yeah.
And we were on the side of the road and we had that fish. So good. It's so hard to explain, but imagine sour chili with the most flavoursome fish out of the ocean that's just got sea flavours all around it, mixed in together in one bite. That's what that is. They make it so good here. So this is another fish. It's salty fish. So what they do with this part is they fillet it in half. They put it out in the sun in lime or lemon juice, lime juice, for 3 days. So the lime and the sun basically preserves it and cooks it, and they put salt on top of it. So after it's salty and limey and in its raw state, it's basically cooked through because of the salt and the lime. After that, they deep fry it, and when it's like that, you can basically eat the head, the bones, the tail, all in one. So there's the fish. There's the head. And thank you, baby. I love it. It's my favourite. I've got too many favourites. I can't pick one.
You do.
Wait
You don't need to pick one.
Wait till you see the other favourites, the durian curry one. Yeah, when we find that one. But yeah, so this was ikan masin, salty fish. Oh,
Too salty.
so here's the swamp grass. This is what that looks like. So basically this grows on the side of the riverbanks or in the swamp. Somehow one Malaysian man or woman said, let's chop this up and put it into a turmeric curry. Well, whoever did that, good on you, mate, because it's so good. It's so good. Yeah. Never in your life would you ever say swamp grass tastes so good. But swamp grass tastes fantastic. Twirl it like pasta.
Yeah.
All right. It's the response. Good?
Yep. Nice curry.
Very nice curry. It's actually spicy.
No, I'm spicy from that.
No, wait till the kick comes
No,
later.
thanks.
And it's the yellow one. Now my face is getting pink.
We need the little fan.
All right, we've moved on to the mango chili salad. This is where you get a kick of sweetness and spiciness at the same time. And when they combine in your mouth, what a plate! Like everything on this plate. Wow. Spicy and sweet. Oh my God. There's a battle happening in the mouth. It's like, it's so sweet, it's so spicy, it's so sweet. The sweat's coming out, but that's great. And then the fermented soybean, which is called tempeh over here. So it's fermented soybeans. That's why I don't have kids. And they compress it, then they chop it, they fry it, and they cook it in a sambal again.
Nice, this one.
And it's crispy and so nice here. This is the best one.
Yep.
Yeah. And then lastly, the young bamboo in yellow turmeric curry, which is nice and soft and just brings everything down, like balances everything out. It just squishes in your mouth. But if you're a vegetarian, this could substitute as meat because it's so filling and so meaty. Yeah? It's like
That you showing the meaty.
showing the meaty. you get very full on that. It's quite good. So there we go. This is street food, but it's outdoors with a wrought iron roof. Basically, it's in a shed, yeah.
It's pouring rain. This kid's just sitting in the rain.
We're trying to get it under a tree. Okay, check out this guy. His job is to do the chilies. Ooh. Makase. All those chilies going to almost every dish. Okay. This guy's got a big block of ice and he's shaving it for us because we're getting a Malaysian dessert, chendol, which is the pandan noodle with coconut and palm sugar.
So it's like snow. Look at that, a snow cup.
More.
Look at, when we came, it was empty. It's packed now. We brought the crowd. There's that palm sugar syrup. Ini gula melaka.
Ah, yeah, gula melaka.
Oi. Okay.
Too sweet.
And that's the coconut milk. Oh. Ini best. Wow, look at that.
That's a Malaysian dessert to cool down all that chili in your mouth on a hot day. And a hot mouth.
Chendol, yeah, that's pandan noodles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
So that's $2. There we go. Look at that. Now you tell me anywhere you're going to get $2 for a dessert like that. All right. And the taste, again. And Malaysian food has got layers. Palm sugar, ice, which is the middle balance, and then the coconut milk, and then the noodles that are made of pandan, which is the green grass that they take the grass and put it in all the desserts that are green in Malaysia that smells and tastes almost like vanilla. So that's all the three balances in there, and it's delicious, and it's just perfect for the hot mouth at the moment. So let's go for it. So we said today's a day of exploring, but we haven't moved apart from half a block.
Well, we haven't moved past anything we know. No, we're rediscovering.
Rediscovering, because we used to come here a lot, and we've missed it in the last 5 years of coming here. We've gone other places, so now we've come back and still the best.
Here's one of these.
Perfect. Yum and perfect. Like my mouth has just gone, thank you. Now we... Yeah. Now... Well, we've made it another block, thank God. So the day of exploring is more of a challenge. Can we get to the next block without eating something? What I want to say is that I don't know what we could actually eat now or have that will just top that, because that was everything we ate was a 10 out of 10, and I'm so satisfied that nothing could top it. So I reckon we've
found everything we need to.
What else is there to get?
Seri muka, nasi krabu, up and balik.
Yeah, speak Malay. Speak Malay. So that means up and balik is the folded pancake, Malaysian pancake. Nasi kerabu is the blue rice, and seri muka is the green and white
pandan and coconut custard dessert.
That's it. Yeah, so we can still find them out here. And that's what we're going to look for. This way.
Sorry.
So these things that they build in Malaysia has been a mystery to me for years, and we come up every year with the theory what it's for. But I reckon I've finally got the answer. It's a weight measurement. So when you come through, if you fit through, you're still good. If you
keep eating.
If you're eating too much, you won't make it through that. That's going to be the entrance regulation.
Here is another traditional Malaysian village house, very old. I think it's abandoned, but it's still kept here for heritage reasons. Just to give you an idea how this village down here used to look like. When you're in the Malaysian villages, like out in the jungle, it's very similar. All the houses are like this. Everyone just walks on the street. The motorbikes are on the street. Cars drive, people walk. You can see coming up here. Houses look like that. They're above ground for the floods because it rains a lot.
And for the air. So
yeah, no one wears helmets because villages don't fall down, I guess.
so these people don't get hit on the head.
Yeah. Woohoo! Sweetie, you want to go on this way?
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, nothing like running in the rain. We're going to the red, yellow. We're going to the yellow. Oh my God, we just chose the heaviest moment to run in the rain. Yep. Oh, we go this way. Oh, look at the puddles. Oh. Yeah. This was the destination.
Yep.
Oh, what do we do now?
Oh, we're keeping going, aren't we?
Keep going, or?
Well, that's what we said.
So we ran through the rain. It's typical. We get soaked. As soon as we come, it stops. We found a place. It stopped. It's, I said, that's why you said it takes an hour. Anyway, but the good thing is, we found a place to eat laksa on our exploration day. Okay, the laksa's arrived about 12 seconds after the last video. Alright, you want to squeeze the lime on and do the honours? Look at that.
Oh, for this tomato.
This looks so good. Okay, moment of truth. Lenny got one spoon, so I'll go first.
There's no spoons there. There's no tissues. Good.
Go. Tell me if I'm wrong. My God.
Need a tissue.
That's a good one. Oh, yum. Just mix it around. Oh, look at that. The taste, the flavor is off the charts. Look at that. If I had room in the stomach, I'd get a third, I reckon. It's one of those dishes. Oh. So fresh and uplifting. This is food porn. And just like that, 5 minutes later, the rain's come back. I feel happy now. But this laksa is so good. Up there with one of the best. We don't have to do the churras now, because it's like the churras one.
It is. I like going to see the giraffe babies.
I might buy a second one.
Alright.
Is that good?
We'll eat this first.
No. The laksa is so good that I had to buy a second one. And this time, the boss of the place gave me the ginger torch, which is the favorite part of the whole dish. Look at that tamarind skin. If you know, you know. Look at that. It's so good. If I had room in the stomach, I reckon I'd buy a third. Yeah. Do you want the tamarind skin?
No.
Half? Give half. I kid you not. Today's been a day of tens. Tens. I'm in heaven. I'm in food heaven. This is everything I ever want out of Malaysia.
So far, it's been in 2 streets.
Because we know where to go.
Yeah. Because we know where to go. Because we do our research, and we come here a lot. Yeah, boss.
Thank you.
Teh tarik. Flexi. So this is the Malaysian teh tarik. Teh tarik means pool tea. What he means by pool tea is this. It stretches and spills.
No problem.
Yeah, I know. Give to the cat. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that head. Sit up.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay. Terima kasih. Now, don't slip on that.
Now to taste it.
Look at that. It's Flick's favourite. Put on manis? Oh, I forgot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Everything we want is here. Okay, we're in Chow Kit markets. This is where you come and get all your raw natural products before you cook it in a restaurant at nice cheap prices. Chencharu? Chencharu? Finish. So we've come a bit late to the market, so they've finished certain seafoods and fishes that we like. Now we're at the vegetable section. It looks like they got plenty of that. Look at that turmeric, beautiful. Yeah.
And your favorite?
And my favourite right there. That's what we just ate in the laksa. This is the ginger torch. That makes any dish the best dish. Oh, stink bean. That's even stronger. This one.
You can come here and buy chili.
Yeah. Look at this fresh turmeric, ginger, lemongrass. Beautiful. Oh, the palm sugar, tamarind skin. Oh, I could shop here and make so many dishes, sweetie.
Let the lady
Okay.
go.
Well, I was. She was stopping with me and then going with me. This one for the morning after. This is a spicy one. The thinner,
Just got it on your
yeah. The thinner they are, the hotter they are. Oh, that's tempeh. That's the fermented soybean that we had earlier this morning with the chili. It's still in fillet. It's warm. Just been freshly made. Yeah. Beautiful. The dong dong. We had that drink last night. Look at the baby ginger. My God. It's so small. Young ginger. That's the old ginger. Oh, that's another favourite. My favourite. That's the stink bean. It's called patay. Eat this, and I know. You eat this, and when you go to the toilet, yeah, it cleans everything out, like from number one. And the smell, everyone knows. It went through your bladder system. Everyone knows it went through your bladder. Long cock. Oh, this is the worst one. Oh, look at that. Looks like an alien. Looks like Darth Vader's helmet. When I said the stink bean over there, that's the level 1 stink. This is the level 10 stink. This one you don't want to even try because you'll hate yourself. Yeah, you will really hate yourself every time you go to the toilet. But if you want to clean your system out, this is the way to go. Darth Vader. It's called jetting. Okay. And this is pandan. This is what all the green desserts are made from, this grass. Oh, So they cut this grass off. You tie it in a knot. You boil it in water. The water comes green. You add that green water to your sweets or your cakes, and that's how you get the green stuff out of the laksa leaves over there. Okay.
Very busy for motorbikes down here.
Another fat test. You squeeze through and good.
Okay, where here are the laksa leaves. This one, sweetie, is it this one? Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's heaven. My God. Just have to smell it, and you know you're there. Down laksa. My God. Yep.
Looks like they're making love to it.
Well, if you give every man should give his woman those two. Make him happy. Look at,
Yeah, you really go making yourself happy.
yeah. A bunch of flowers.
No, no, rambutan. Rambutan. Where's, where's? Oh, there you are. No, it's okay. Okay. I'm trying to explain before I get attacked by everyone to buy something. Okay, I'll show you in a sec. Snake fruit. Yeah. This one is snake fruit because it looks like the skin of a snake. Yeah. Here we go, demonstration. And it's like it's from the lychee family. Okay. Tastes like snake fruit. Well, it's nice.
This one okay. 1 ringgit. Okay. One.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
One more. 1 ringgit.
Okay.
How much?
Okay. And this one here.
Yeah, this one rambutan.
I know.
Sebentar, ay. Okay, no
Oh,
problem.
tak mau.
Kita mau.
Saya
Upload Instagram.
yeah.
Yes, Instagram.
Saya cakap rambutan, okay? This one called rambutan because it's like the hair of the orangutan. That's why they called it orangutan. You see? And it looks like the orangutan head. Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yellow. This one rambutan red. This one yellow.
Yellow. Okay. That was beautiful. The snake fruit. Okay.
1 ringgit.
1 ringgit. You pay or I pay? Snake fruit. Look at the sweat. Walking through the markets. Don't go. Oh, yeah. They have to come this way.
Sorry?
Yeah. Yeah. What's this mini apple?
No apple. Bidar.
Oh my God. I have no idea what that is.
What's that called?
Apa ni nama?
Bidar.
Bidara.
Yeah, bidar. This
Bidara.
one, my name is Bidar.
Tak tahu. I never tried before. Okay.
Okay.
Berapa ni?
This one. Okay. Come here.
1 ringgit.
1 ringgit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Take some.
Okay, 1 ringgit.
1 ringgit. Okay. Okay. Don't kiss me.
Okay.
Cuba lagi.
Okay, coba lagi.
Okay. Okay. Esok. Let me just explain. We spent 2 ringgit in there for that fruit. Show the bag. Yeah. So 2 ringgit. That's 60 cents in Australia. Australian 60 cents. Yeah. Here it is. Bag full of fruit. 60 cents for tropical exotic fruits. Oh, there's so much here.
Oh, look behind.
Look behind where?
Look, the courts.
Oh yeah, in front, not behind.
Oh, well, I meant behind that thing.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, futsal courts. Oh, we should get a ball. That's a perfect size, yeah. Okay, so instead of walking around a massive block, we are trying to get a shortcut through here. We don't know if we've got permission, but this is a soccer field. That's our apartment there. And we don't know if we're going to get in trouble for this, so we're taking a chance.
Don't speak Malay.
Yeah.
Me don't speak Malay.
I have to speak Malay, pull out all the stops.
No, me not speak Malay. Me
Oh.
not understand.
Oh yeah. Well, if it's what we need to get us out of trouble. Look at that synthetic soccer field, Twin Towers, Kale Tower, our hotel.
Place to play.
What a. So Flick and I have watched many games from our hotel up there on this field, so we're very familiar with. But we've never been on it. This is our first. Okay, we just got to get through the gates without getting seen. What am I going? Yes, we made it.
We did it. What rebels?
Gangsters. Yeah.
Okay. Now can we get in the back of the city mall, or we have to
Yeah.
walk around the front?
No, there's a back door for everything.
Yeah, but where's the back door for that?
We'll find it. Purple Christmas. We are walking through. Look at that. Exploring now. Another Malaysian traditional house here in the village. That's barbed wire, so no creepies can go into the school. So we just made it home, and I can see through the window here. We just made it. The rain is coming back, and that's the soccer field that we just walked through. Yeah. We walked that field across, but in the distance, as you can see, it's raining over there. Tropical monsoon hitting us again. Okay, but we're home. Yeah, look at that cloud. Well, we have found one of the two final remainders for today, and that's the smoked duck. We have got it, baby. Look at this, chili, smoked duck in turmeric curry, an iced coffee, no doors, no windows, just us. Look at that. Yum. Wow.
Don't need to go anywhere.
That just blew my...
I don't think I've ever seen you react that way.
I didn't expect that. I'll explain. What do you want to explain? What are we going to do now?
What do you mean what we're doing now?
We usually travel 2 hours in the jungle to get this dish. And it's just around the corner from our hotel now. And it is so smoked. It's unbelievable. That is smoked duck. You have to try what smoked duck is in that curry to understand why we drive 2 hours in the jungle to get it. And they're so good. So when that taste went down, I wasn't expecting this. I expected duck, but not that smoke. Is that good? That's so good.
Look at that.
Yeah. That means I'm happy. She said, I'm a grot. That was so delicious. I want to order a second one, but Flick stopped me, putting some common sense in my head. She said, because if we find the ikan tempoyak,
You're not going to have space for it.
yeah, I think I will.
Well, I think you'll find the space. But we'll come back here tomorrow.
That was so good. I want to get a second one, and it's still lingering in my mouth. That was so good, so good.
Get out. Get 2 tomorrow night. For Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas tomorrow.
Club. Christmas dinner.
We've had such good food today. We could have had double of everything. It's been that good, and just another one. Like I can't tell you, we are the strictest critics of Malaysian food. We know what's the best and what's average and what's don't even consider. And today we've just been spoiled with 10 out of 10s all day long. Look at that, finished. And I just can't wait to have that tomorrow again. I'll be looking forward to that. That's Christmas. All right, we are either wrapping this video up as what we've done today on food wise, and because it's Christmas Eve, we're going to start a new video here, which you'll see, and because Christmas Eve in KL is different, so it'll be a new whole video for that. We're going to head into the city. We can see a lot of people already heading in. It's like Mardi Gras, it's just packed, but what they do in Malaysia here is a countdown on Christmas Eve to midnight, and everyone comes out and celebrates right on midnight. Merry Christmas to all. Doesn't matter if you're Hindu, Buddhist, Muslim, Christian, or anything, everyone's out tonight and everyone's going to celebrate Christmas right on midnight. So that's where we're off to. That's in the separate video. So for our food venture today, this is it. And slip it away, baby. Suck that straw.
Show me how.
That's the best of my ability.
I was going to say, is that all you've got?
Okay, we are starting our journey and we're to the city, and what we mean by a journey, we are walking all the way from Kampung Baru to KLCC.
I think they're doing it to interrupt your
No, but they
wording.
just appear from nowhere.
They
anyway.
appear from nowhere.
There's bushes and they come out of them, I don't know. So we are walking all the way to the city now, which is that way, because traffic's going and we could catch a train, but we've got to walk off all that food we ate today. And we're going into the city for Christmas Eve 2024. Join us. Not them, you guys. They're looking.
I think it's
Okay. Apa ni?
Ini sata ikan.
Sata ikan. Okey.
Sata ikan.
Berapa?
RM5.
Satu?
Ya. Dia 3 pieces macam ni.
Ah, okey okey. Satu. Otak berapa?
Otak-otak ini dia 4 pieces RM7, 8, 14. Dia set.
Empat. Okey, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
So this is fish that's being blended and cooked in spices in a banana leaf over a barbecue.
Saya daripada negara mana?
Australia.
Australia.
Ya.
Yang pandai Melayu.
Pandai Melayu. Boleh check up.
Cakap Melayu. Very good. Okey, siap. RM12.
12. Oh.
Ya.
11, 10.
Okey.
No. Kejap. So out of all the dishes we wanted today, we got everything. This is the final one. I'm waiting for. Yeah. Oh my God, it's ready. This is my favorite fish, cooked in durian curry. Tempoyak. Best now. Okay. I'm gonna be the judge. Nanti cakap apa? Sedap ya? Yeah. Okay. I got it all today. We completed the whole Malaysian list in one day. This is one of my favorite all time. So we're just here eating under the canopies. So this is street food eating. Got live music, Malay playing some guitar and a drum. Yeah. Singing in Malay, and we've got the best Malay food here with Christmas hats on. Look at this. Okay, do you want to open one of these? So as I was saying before, this is fish blended with herbs and spices and
cooked in a banana leaf on a barbecue over flame. So you get the charcoal flavor and this fish paste. Thank you, sweetie. Do you want to go halves?
Alright.
Okay, go. Oh yeah, so good. How was that? Yum. Yeah, it's beautiful here. We've had a massive day of food.
Got everything.
We've had a massive day of food. Just about everything here. Yeah. Oh, I mean, this is one of my ultimate favorites. So what this is, if the rock band wants to just tone it down a bit, so I can explain, but so what they do is they get the durian fruit and they ferment it for 3 days. After it's fermented, it gives off this strong pungent flavor, and you just take a little piece, maybe like that, and you make a yellow turmeric curry, and you drop that fermented durian into that, and becomes tempoyak. That's what they call it, and that becomes the curry dish for this particular fish. It's very light, very flavoursome, and you don't know if you're eating a curry or a durian or a fish, but at the same time. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you'll love it. And that's fermented durian curry. Very hard to get. It's not common. I mean, it's one of the specialty dishes, so you can't find it everywhere. We found it today, and we're very happy. We didn't have to go to the jungles to get it, because you've got to go to the jungles to get it. Okay, so we're going to enjoy this now. Sounds like a horse race. Okay, so this one is called sata, and this is fish also inside banana leaf, cooked on a barbecue. So three come on one stick. Flick's going to open one for demonstration purposes and eating purposes. Yeah, look at that. This is with fish and coconut. Have you had this before?
I don't think I have, not in a triangle one.
Yeah. This is also one of my favorites and very hard to find. So different. Yeah. Yum. You can taste the coconut. Oh my god. As you eat more and more. Very good. Yum, yeah. Okay, let's have another. Oh, that's delicious. And you can taste the charcoal going through.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Have some fish and coconut. Yum. And that's the other fish we're having, the durian fish.
Yeah.
Yum. Oh. Like we haven't eaten today. What a day. What a day. Is it? Food paradise, Malaysia. Food paradise. Isn't it?
We've had so many different things today.
So many different things, and we still haven't eaten everything. It's just the abundance of choice. We thought about how many things we still haven't eaten, and the list was big. But how many things do we eat today? And the list was big, and we're still going to eat. So after this, we're going to go for dessert. That's what's stop. Yum. And just like that, we're finished. The saddest part when it's over. So the night doesn't end for us here. It is on the underground trains to the next destination. We're going to Bukit Bintang, which is in English Star Hill.
Hey, lost the musical chairs battle. It's prohibited to relax your leg. Breaking the wall, I'm breaking the wall. You know? Sounds like a horror movie here. We are traveling at the speed of light. That's why you got to hold on. So we're on a driverless train, and that's the first.
Interchange station with KL monorail.
Driverless train. You can see where we're going. This guy moves his melon. This is still the same day, just a different restaurant. Again, and different food. This time we stopped at an Indian place that's open for 24 hours all the time. It's everywhere around KL and Malaysia. It's called mamak, and that means you drink Milo ice, have fried chicken, have tosai, and some veggies, which is not Indian, no. But we came here for the Milo. And this is on top of everything else we've had today. That's a good one. Yeah, that's great. Yum, yum, yum. Malaysia, yum. Nice. These are all the spots we always go to, so. No. This chicken is off the charts, I'll tell you. That's crushed up rice made into a puree, then cooked on a grill. Comes out like that. Dip it in some curry. So good. Yeah. Okay. This is good. This is good. Oh my god, yeah. You know why? That wok. Oh wow. It's got that wok charcoal flavour right through that whole vegetable. Oh, that's worth every cent. Oh yeah. Now get that and dip it in that. Perfect balance, yeah. This area we're in right now, it's like the King's Cross back in Sydney in the old days. Nightclubs everywhere, naughty people everywhere. Everything's open 24 hours, nothing shuts. You eat, you party, you eat, you party, you eat, party. And so you see a lot of funny folk here at all hours of the day and night and early in the mornings. But besides that, the food's fantastic. Well, we are absolutely stuffed. We can finally say we've reached capacity and we are done. So what do you do in KL when you reach capacity? Get a foot massage. We have walked 20,000 steps to eat for 12 hours. And we actually started eating 12 hours ago and haven't stopped. It's 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we're gonna go get a massage to digest, help digestion. And everyone's still eating everywhere. It's like just eat on the street, eat on the footpath. Someone's always cooking. This cowboy's cooking chicken. Yeehaw! Burgers. That's a Rumley burger. Okay, we're about to go through Hoville. It's going to be a lot of funny things going on here.
Hello, Merry Christmas, massage.
Happy Christmas, massage.
No, from you. Massage. It's the happy Christmas ending massage. And here we are. It's when you have a hard day's work of eating and you need to, what is it called? Reward yourself. So, in order to continue the journey of food hunting, we need strong feet. And we have strong feet coming. What do we do? Relax feet, yeah. So it gives us energy for the next big walk. No. Yeah, no. Huh? Best. Don't stop. Yeah. Hey, sweetie. And outside, it's almost midnight, and everyone's getting ready for Christmas Eve countdown. 1 more hour. So, yeah. Oh, just getting in there. I swear, Flick and I, we go to every place, it's empty. Once we're in the place, it's full. This is 5 minutes ago, no one was here. Now it's packed. When we went to the food court before, it was empty, and then after, in the nasi lemak, it was empty yesterday, and it was packed after we bring the business. Okay, it's 10 minutes to midnight. Oh, it's crowded. We've got less than 10 minutes to get to where we want to do the Christmas countdown, and we're going to get through this massive crowd of people. Okay. Oh yeah, keep going. Easier to see. This is what midnight looks like in Kuala Lumpur. Sweetie.
Hey, snug. Merry Christmas. I forgot I was filming.
You forgot you're filming. Hey, oh. Yeah, need to shave.
Merry Christmas.
Finish.
Not hardly yet.
Yo, what are you?